wish someone told me this before I started my YouTube channel. Not the regular post consistently or get a ring light kind of advice. I am talking about the real stuff, the frustrating part of YouTube, the surprises and the things that almost made me quit. If you're just starting your YouTube channel or you have been stuck at 40 something subscribers just like me, this video will save you from many more mistakes. So just sit back and let's dive right into this video, okay? Here is the first thing. Don't expect your friends and family to support you when you start up your YouTube channel. I know that sounds a little bit harsh, but that is the honest truth. I posted my first YouTube video and I'm like, oh, let me send the link to my friends, to my family. Let me tell them that I've started a YouTube channel so that they can subscribe to my channel, watch my video, and even share it to other people. Spoiler alert. They did not. They didn't. Not because they don't care or they don't want to support me or they don't want me to grow, but because YouTube is not for them. YouTube is not their thing. And that is perfectly okay. So now I focus on finding my real audience, the people who enjoy my content, the ones who will come back to always watch my video, not the ones that I will beg, please, I posted a video, come and watch. So that is what I am focusing on right now. First thing first, your friends, your family, they are not going to support you the way you thought they are going to. That is the number one thing I wish somebody actually told me before starting up my YouTube channel. The second thing I wish I knew before starting is that filming takes longer than you think. Honestly, filming is not easy. You will plan a simple video and sometimes it will take you a whole day, even 2 days to edit it. Sometimes I cook, clean, edit, and then remember that, oh, I haven't even filmed my intro. Or maybe, there's something I wanted to say in my video, I did not say it before I ended the video. It is not easy to film, to record, edit, only you. You need patience and planning. You might think, oh, you need expensive gear, what people have been telling you here, but the honest truth is that you don't need any expensive gear to start up your YouTube channel. You need patience to start up. Once you start, you film on your own, you edit it by yourself, you will know that it takes a whole lot of patience. You see, and that patience comes into play when you post your first video and you don't get any view, or maybe in 1 week you are still getting 5 views. That is definitely going to test your patience. So the second thing is that filming, editing actually takes time than you thought. That is the second thing I wish somebody told me before starting up my YouTube channel. The number third thing is this: growth on YouTube is slow, and that is normal. Let me be real with you. YouTube growth is slow, like very, very slow. I used to think if I just post an amazing video, I would just blow up overnight. But after a week of posting, editing, and maybe staying up late at night, my views are always 10 views, 15 views, 20 views, maybe. It can feel very, very discouraging, but that is totally normal. You see, YouTube growth. YouTube will first of all welcome you with low views. Nobody will watch your video because YouTube don't know you, the algorithm don't know you. But what really matters is that you keep learning. Keep posting the videos you have on your phone or maybe on your camera and get better with every video that you are posting out here. That is what I am doing now. I am posting, I might not be getting the views that I want, but I want to keep posting so that I will keep improving on my editing skills, on my filming skills as well. But if you're just starting and you think once you post your first video that you're going to get 1K views and the rest of them, you're on a long term. YouTube will welcome you with low views, but don't get discouraged. Keep posting. The number third thing is YouTube growth is slow. It is not the way you envisioned it, or it's not the way you thought it is. The number fourth thing is this: don't compare yourself to anybody else here on YouTube. That's another thing I wish I knew before starting. Don't compare yourself. They say comparison is a joy killer, and that is the truth. There are creators with perfect lighting, fancy kitchen, clear voiceovers, and they make it look easy when you're watching them. But you don't know their story. You don't know where they started from. You don't know how long they've been on YouTube. Some of them have been on YouTube for 5 years, some 7 years, some 8 years, or even some of them even have team that is helping them record, arrange every other thing, but you don't have, and you want to start comparing yourself to them. That will actually kill your joy. So what are you going to do? Focus on your own growth, your own personal growth right now. I am learning how to speak better on camera, how to edit faster, and how to make my video more enjoyable to people that will watch it. That is enough. I am not going to continue comparing myself to any other big YouTuber out there. I don't know when they started. I don't know how their growth has been, because I believe many of them faced the same thing we small YouTubers we are facing right now. So just do your thing, put in your best every day you come out here to post your video. Don't go and start comparing yourself to other big YouTubers. Go to their videos, watch, learn one or two, and just pray and wish that you grow to their extent someday. But don't start comparing yourself to them because you're just starting. That is the first thing I wish somebody actually told me before starting up my YouTube channel, that confidence, don't compare yourself to anybody here. You're just starting and you will grow as you go. So guys, here comes the end of today's video. If you're starting your YouTube channel or you are stuck at a small number of subscribers, 42 just like me, don't give up. Everyone started from zero. Everyone struggled in the beginning before they found their way up there. I am still learning. I don't have everything figured out, but I show up, I post my video, and I am proud of my growth. I am proud of myself, even if it is slow. So if this video helped you, or if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I want to grow. I'm at 42. I want to grow also, and I want to get monetized. So subscribe and let's grow together. Comment down the comment section, share this video, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Till my next video, or till I come your way next time. Bye bye, and my name remains Confidence.